So while my bike is getting serviced at BMW, they're going to let me test ride this little baby. This is the Zero SR. This is the all-electric bike. I just drove it for a couple of miles. It's a little fun little thing. It's definitely different than your traditional motorcycle. You can see there is no clutch, no foot shifter, no clutch, no nothing. You just twist the throttle. It is belt driven and obviously extremely quiet. Pretty fun little bike so far. This model here has a 13 kilowatt lithium ion battery. Just the way the salesmen have been driving it has an estimated range of 55 miles, but they've been smashing on the throttle. So I'm sure it gets a lot more than that. Show you the dash. Pretty simple dash. Just shows your speedometer, battery charge. You got a range, temperature of the engine, your output and regen, showing how much power you're using and gaining. 3 different modes. You got economy, custom. If you connect your phone through the Bluetooth, you can customize the settings exactly how you want it. And sport. Sport's pretty insane, actually. Instant torque from 0. Your typical kill switch is kind of a safety thing for it. That's on like a normal bike, but if it's on like that and the kickstand's down, you're not going to move. So they recommend that when you stop, to hit the kill switch. So your kickstand's still up and you twist the throttle accidentally, you won't move. So if you twist the throttle, you'll move instantly. So let's take this baby for a spin. See how quiet that is? It's weird. Very agile though. I am in custom mode. It has almost the full power of sport mode, but with the regenerative characteristics of economy mode. One of the salesmen set it up that way. It's weird not having to have to grab a clutch or shift. Just twist the throttle. Gets up and goes pretty fast. It's not a super sport bike or anything like that, but just having that instant power from 0 is pretty fun. That was in custom mode. Let's try it in sport. It's not bad. A little more room than the custom mode they have. A little bit of off-roading. Woo! Spun out. So guys, count the 0 to 60 on this as soon as I pull the throttle. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 60. 80. 90. 95. It's fun. It's very strange not hearing any engine noise. The salesmen were telling me if this battery is deployed all the way to 0, to charge it on a 110 normal outlet, it takes about 7 hours to charge. If you have to get the 240 outlet, 240 volt or 220 volt outlet, it takes about 4. So basically an overnighter charge and you're good to go. Tell you what though, this electric bike, not hearing engine noise and feeling it, speed gets away from you very easily.
Hello there, I am a fat little squirrel sitting on your porch. Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow to get some more walnuts. You are my favorite person in the neighborhood. I like you, love you.
Almost killed the squirrel! Sport mode, up a hill, full throttle. Let's see how it does. $60, $70, $80, $90, almost $90. That's pretty cool. I like this little thing, it's fun. Ooh, Tesla and a Tesla. It's a fast blinker. Blink, 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 blink. I could see myself getting into a lot of trouble in town with this bike. You're doing a lot of stupid shit. I love all the stares I get as I pass people. They're like, what the fuck? What is that? It's an electric bike, bitch. So quiet. Can you guys hear it? Let's rev bomb the garage. Smash! Being very, very sneaky. Look at all the Teslas and Model S's. There's a Model X there too. Oh. Good, how are you? Ever seen so many Teslas in one spot before? Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's being selfish. Look at that guy. He's entitled. Taking up 2 spots, parking sideways like that. This bike is incredibly easy to ride. Don't have to worry about a clutch, gear shifters. All you gotta do is twist the throttle and hit the brakes. You are good to go. Get a little bit of that regen going on. The quote-unquote engine braking. On this bike, you would never have to go there. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Full throttle, instantly. See what happens. Nothing. A little fast acceleration, but no really pop. Oh, 50, 50, 50, 50. Hello, I'm alright.
Slow the fuck down.
I am not speeding. I just use my foot to try and shift into a gear. That takes a bit to get used to. It's just weird not seeing a shifter here. Really? No gear. I mean, clutch up here, but no gear shifter down there. No, that's a little bit of tailgating there. Could you imagine if that guy in the front suddenly hits his brakes? Then you're going to eat shit.